conversion from car-oriented development into transit-oriented development is a conversion that brings sustainability into account, that bring green principles into account. And cooperation on that is very much needed because we do not intend to reinvent the wheel. We would like to learn from those who have adopted the system, and we would like to have exchange of experience and idea. And MRT, who's here with you, who's here with us, will be signing the MoU, is our hope to serve as the backbone of our conversion from from car-oriented into transit-oriented. So allow me to express my appreciation again to Thales and also all Alstom for the participation in this partnership. We look forward for an MoU that is active, that is not silent MoU. An MoU that will translate into concrete work and speediest.